If you're tired of portable grills that promise convenience, but leave you waiting forever for food to cook, struggling with uneven heat, or dealing with bulky equipment that's a hassle to transport, you're definitely not alone. A lot of outdoor grilling setups look great on paper, but become frustrating the moment you actually take them camping, tailgating, or to a weekend gathering. That's where the Coleman RoadTrip 225 Portable Propane Grill aims to make life easier. The Coleman RoadTrip 225 is designed for campers, tailgaters, RV owners, beachgoers, and anyone who wants a capable grill without hauling around a full-size backyard setup. It combines portability with enough cooking space to handle meals for a small group, making it an appealing option for people who want real grilling performance away from home. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the design feels practical and purpose-built. Instead of looking like a miniature version of a backyard grill, it feels like something created specifically for people who travel. The quick fold leg system is one of the first things you'll notice. It folds down smoothly and allows the grill to transition from transport mode to cooking mode in just a few moments. The built-in wheels make moving it around surprisingly easy, whether you're rolling it across a campsite, a parking lot before a game, or a backyard patio. The overall construction feels solid without becoming excessively heavy. The cooking lid closes securely. The frame feels stable once set up, and the side table provides a useful spot for plates, utensils, sauces, or prep work. Small conveniences like this make a bigger difference than you might expect during actual use. Nothing about the grill feels overly complicated, which is a positive for beginners who simply want to start cooking without reading a lengthy manual. When it comes to performance, the RoadTrip 225 delivers where it matters most. The grill heats up relatively quickly, allowing you to start cooking without a long wait. Once it reaches temperature, the adjustable burner controls provide enough flexibility to cook different foods comfortably. Whether you're grilling burgers, hot dogs, chicken, vegetables, or breakfast items during a camping trip, the temperature adjustments are easy to manage. One of the biggest advantages is how well this grill fits into real outdoor routines. You don't need a permanent setup area, and you don't need a truck full of equipment. It unfolds, ignites with the push-button InstaStart system, and gets to work quickly. The matchless ignition is particularly convenient during early mornings or windy conditions, when dealing with lighters can become annoying. Heat distribution is generally consistent for a portable grill in this category. While you may notice slight temperature variations across the cooking surface, it's not something that significantly impacts everyday grilling. Most users will find it easy to cook multiple items simultaneously without constantly rotating food around the grates. Noise isn't really a factor here, since propane grills operate quietly. Cleanup is also fairly straightforward thanks to the removable grease tray. After cooking, disposing of grease and wiping down surfaces takes only a few minutes. For people who grill frequently, that simplicity can be just as valuable as cooking performance. Of course, no grill is perfect. The RoadTrip 225's cooking area is generous for a portable model, but still won't replace a large backyard grill if you're regularly cooking for big parties. The propane cylinder is sold separately, so that's an additional purchase to keep in mind. Some users who need maximum heat output for intense searing may also prefer larger premium grills, although those options typically sacrifice portability and cost significantly more. The strengths are clear: portability, fast setup, user-friendly operation, reliable ignition, and enough grilling space for most small gatherings. It's especially well suited for campers, tailgaters, RV travelers, and families who value convenience. If your priority is mobility and easy transport, this grill checks a lot of important boxes. Compared to similarly priced portable grills from brands like Weber, Charbroil, and Cuisinart, the Coleman RoadTrip 225 offers an attractive balance of convenience and value. Some competitors may offer slightly more premium materials or specialized cooking systems, but many lack the effortless folding design and travel-friendly features that make the RoadTrip series so popular. For many buyers, that convenience alone becomes a deciding factor. Overall, The Coleman RoadTrip 225 Portable Propane Grill succeeds because it focuses on solving real problems outdoor cooks face. It's easy to transport, quick to set up, simple to use, and capable of producing satisfying results without unnecessary complexity. If you've been looking for a portable grill that can make camping trips, tailgates, beach outings, and weekend gatherings easier and more enjoyable, this is definitely one worth considering. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews. And if you're interested in checking current pricing or availability, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description below.